हेलो एवरीवन। आज इस वीडियो में कोई स्क्रिप्ट कुछ नहीं, केवल मेरी जर्नी, केवल पयाम वोरा क्लासेस कैसे बना, फंडामेंटल्स क्या थे और कैसे ये एक वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ऑल फार्मेसी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ अपस्किलिंग एज वेल एज लर्निंग बना. So I am a pharmacologist, a medical entrepreneur, educational influencer, academic guide, mentor, and a researcher. And I have a dynamic profile because we have qualified 12 national level pharma competitive examinations, and we have more than 5,000 students who I have mentored, 20 plus publications. I've done my diploma in psychology, followed by bachelor's in pharmacy, gold medalist. We have done MS pharmacology in Naipur Mohali. I'm currently pursuing my PhD. These are the ranks of my other examinations. So I've also achieved certain scholarships like Tata Scholarship, BSGD Scholarship Junior, Maharashtra Top 5% Scholarship amounts. And these are some of my webinars, seminars, which I've conducted across the world, right from Madhya Pradesh to Chhattisgarh to Maharashtra to Punjab, everywhere. Along with this, about PVC, our mission is to empower pharmacy students globally with structured guidance. And our vision is to transform pharmaceutical education through scalable and affordable pricing. That is the most important. Our impacts, we have guided many students for countries like Ireland, Australia, Dubai, and these are few of the impactful feedbacks and testimonials. You can see our students have qualified GPAT, NIPER, our students have qualified DHS pharmacist, RRB pharmacist, AIMS pharmacist, DMER, UPSC, DSSB, Sepoy Pharma, Tata Memorial, different pharmacy examination, MPSC, DI. And we are also working on upskilling courses where we have executive program in AI. We have executive program in AI. Along with that, pharmacovigilance, medical science lies in clinical research and data management, scientific writing and medical writing, HEOR and data analytics, regulatory affairs and medical coding. We also provide personal guidance sessions for one-on-one group discussions, interviews, for choosing the right career path or a career guidance sessions. Along with that, these are our impacts. We have a pharmacist master of the first ebook which have been published, pharmacovigilance book, clinical research and clinical data management book. Our other impacts are 6+ ebooks and physical books which we have published. Along with that, we have the pharmacist DHA book available and the AIMS pharmacist book if you wish to answer, which has all the questions of the PYQ. Who are we for? Why should you choose PVC? So any diploma, bachelor's, master's, PharmD student, life science students, this is the best place for you because we have courses where you learn from the best faculties, from the industry professionals. And these are the set of courses that we provide. DHS Pharmacist Dubai, MPSC Young Pharmacist Program, UPSC Personal Guidance Session, AIMS-CRE, Health Informatics, Medical Writing, Drug Inspector, NIPER JE Counseling, Medical Coding, Patent Writing, Pharma MBA Guidance, Executive Program, Medical and Regulatory Affairs, GPAT, NIPER, and PYQs. Along with that, Medical Science License, CRCDM, Pharmacovigilance. These are some of our students and they are feedbacks, what they have to say about us. These are few of our memories which we have won across the platforms at different student of the year and all. You can connect with us on these platforms like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, website, as well as the WhatsApp. So if you click on the Instagram, you will be redirected to our Instagram itself. And over here, you can find our profile. This is our another account, Healthcare Tips Centrics. And if you are looking out for opportunities like YouTube videos, we also have two channels of ours, Payam Vora Classes and Healthcare Tips Centrics, which you can follow us on YouTube. So this is one of our channel, and the other channel is, if you just type my name, it will be visible to you. These are two of our channels which are available and you can easily go through this. You can also follow us on LinkedIn already. We are there on LinkedIn. You can check out our app and website. This is our LinkedIn profile. I hope you all connect with me, expand your network, and you can join the WhatsApp group as well where you get updated with all the information. Check out the website for the courses, for enrollments, for updates. There are a lot of blogs as well which are uploaded, which you can check out. So thank you so much. This was all about us. I hope some of you get inspired and try to do a startup, do something which is entrepreneurial and make a change. Thank you so much, everyone.